Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to fix Bluetooth pairing issues for your headphones JBL Quantum 810 using PC. You have to start by click at the Windows button on your keyboard and write Bluetooth. Now click Enter and make sure that your Bluetooth is turned on. Now click on your headphones and connect them. We did it, but if it didn't help you, we should make a soft reset. So, right here on the right ear cup we have this slider, slide down to turn off your headphones. Now it's disconnecting, and then slide up to turn on it. Then click connect again, and we did it. But if it also didn't help you, we should remove and add the headphones. So I recommended to turn off it. And now click remove device, yes. We remove it, now click add Bluetooth, Bluetooth. Then slide up this slider and press and hold Bluetooth button to enter pairing mode. Now we should see it at the device list and click on it. And then click done. We did it. But if all of these methods didn't help you, we should make a hard reset. To make a hard reset, open the application. Now connect your headphones with a dongle or with USB. Go to System Software and click on Restore Factory Settings. Yes. Now, we did it. Click Skip Tutorial. And that's all. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later.